Hi guys, good day. So now I'll discuss to you one of the applications ng differential calculus. Okay? Ito po yung tinatawag nila time rates. Okay? So now, for example, yung problem, you have a balloon which is moving upwards. Okay? So binigay po niya. Okay? The rate at which the balloon is moving upwards is simply 4 meters per second. Okay? Now, from the point of release, okay, dito po yung point na to, ito po yung point of release, okay, which is 100 meters from the observer at this point, okay? Ito po yung observer, ito po yung point of release, okay? Now, as the balloon moves up, okay, tinatanong ngayon, okay, how fast is the balloon receding with respect sa observer, okay? So, kumbaga, okay, if you can notice, habang lumilipad yung balloon, okay, yung value ng x na to, nagbabago ba? The answer is no. Constant po ito. The only thing na nagbabago dyan is yung value ng y. Of course, lumilipad siya eh. Okay? So in short, yung y na to, okay, yung derivative po niyan, hindi po yan constant. May value po yan. Okay? So, habang lumilipad yung balon, yung y naman is lumalaki. Now, how about this distance c, which is the distance or the instantaneous distance of this balloon papunta sa observer A. Of course, this will become the hypotenuse of your right triangle. And as the balloon moves up, okay, of course, yung C mo, nagbabago din, okay? And so therefore, if you're looking for this triangle, hypotenuse niya, ito yung dalawang legs niya, okay? The only thing which is constant here is your x, okay? Ito po, variable yung y, yung C mo po is variable din, okay? So now, tingnan mo ito, okay? Huwag ka na redraw the right triangle, okay? Ito po yung y, ito po yung x, ito po si C. Okay? Now, connect. Kapag nag-deal ka sa mga problem nito, na ganito, sa time rates, okay? I-relate mo lang yung mga variables na yan. Okay? So, of course, this is a right triangle. So, the best solution in here is what? Okay? That is simply your Pythagorean theorem. Okay? So, the square of the hypotenuse, C squared, is just equal to the square of this sides, which is x squared plus y squared. Okay? Ito po yung magiging governing equation natin. Okay? Ito po yung pinaka equation natin. Okay? So now, c squared is just simply x squared plus y squared. Now, dito na ngayon, okay, i-apply na natin yung what we've studied earlier about derivative and differential. Okay? Tandaan lang po lagi, basta time rates ng differential calculus, mag-differential ka, huwag kang mag-derivative, okay? Now, makinig. Among these three variables, okay, x is constant. Kasi nga, as it moves up, your x remains the same, hindi po yung nagbabago, okay? So, now, ano po yung derivative or ano po yung differential ng x squared na yan? Because constant yan, that is 0, okay? Now, ano naman yung differential ng c squared, okay? Kung derivative yung pinag-uusapan, matik po, yung derivative ng c squared is simply 2c. Okay? 2c. Eh kaso, naka-differential tayo. Multiply mo ngayon yan sa dc. 2c dc. Ayos? Now, ano naman yung differential ng y squared? If we are dealing with derivative, supposedly, 2y lang yan. Okay? Eh kaso differential tayo. Lagyan mo siya ng dy. Ayos? Now, because time rates po tayo, okay? We are taking the change of something with respect to time. Okay? Kung baga, mga speed po yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. Okay? See? dy over dt is 4 meters per second. The change in y with respect to time is 4 meters per second. So, eto po yun siya. dy over dt. Okay? So, tandaan yung process. Pag differential mo, lagyan mo lang ng dt sa ilalim. Okay? In short, that is your rate of change. Okay? Or your speed. Now, 2c dc over dt is simply your 2y dy over dt. Okay? So, what can you notice? Yung 2 na to, okay, is just common on both sides. So, maka-cancel out lang yan. Okay? Now, yung pinapahanap lang naman sa'yo, gaano ba kabilis maghiwalay yung balloon na to tsaka yung observer na yan. Because as the balloon moves up, okay, So, kung dito na yung balloon, of course, yung hypotenuse mo, andun na din. Okay? So, pinapahanap sa'yo, gaano kabilis humahaba yung hypotenuse na to. Okay? So, eto ba yun? Yung dc over dt? Yes, yan po yan. Okay? So, dc over dt is just simply your y over c. So, what happened? Okay? I-divide mo lang both sides by c. Okay? So, makancel out yung c na to, bababa siya dito. Ito siya. Times dy over dt. Okay? Now, stop ka muna dyan. Okay? Why? Kasi hindi mo pa rin naman alam or di pa rin define yung value ng c na yan. Okay? Now, makinig. Ano yung value ng c? Okay? So, by this, okay, kunin mo muna ilan kaya yung hypotenuse. Okay? Sir, may x ako. Wala man akong y. But, you have this rate of change. Okay? Gaano siya kabilis? Okay? Now, guys, 4 meter per second daw. And, pinapahanap sa'yo, okay, gaano kabilis maghiwala yung balloon tsaka observer when t is 10 seconds, okay? So guys, if you're looking for the value of y, after 10 seconds, gawin mo lang, y is just 4 meter per second, which is the speed, okay? 10 or 4 meters per second, i-times mo lang siya guys sa 10 seconds, okay? Or simply, the speed times the time, that is your distance. And so therefore, y is 40 meters. Ito na po yung height ng balloon after 10 seconds. Now, dahil alam mo na yung value ng y na yan, can we solve c? C therefore is just simply the square root of x squared plus y squared, where x is simply your 100. Okay? So, 100 squared plus 40 squared na y. Okay? Ano yung value ng c? That is simply square root of 100 squared plus 40 squared. That is 20 square root of 29. 20 square root of 29. Ito ngayon yung isasalpak po dyan sa c na yan. Okay? Now, substituting, dc over dt therefore, okay, is just simply what? Your y is simply 40. Ito siya. 40 over c. What is c? That is simply 20 square root of 29 times, what is dy over dt? That is simply 4 meters per second. Okay? And it will give you what? dc over dt, therefore, is just 40 times 4 over 20 square root of 29 or 1.49 meters per second. Okay? Positive po yan because, makinig, careful with the signs. Okay? Positive po yan because as time flows by, what happens to the hypotenuse? Okay? Pag andito na yung balloon, after 10 seconds, let's say lumipad pa siya, what happened to the hypotenuse? Of course, haba pa yan. Okay? Same goes with dy over dt. Positive po yan because as time flows by, its value becomes larger. That's the reason why. Okay? So, that's all. Thank you.